All right, hey, this is Hans, and this is
Mimi,
and this is
Miles.
It's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got a box from
Singapore.
That's right. This is one of the folks over at Prima Taste in Singapore. They sent me something. I don't know what it is. I'm going to crack it open, and then we will find out. So here we go. Well, first off in this box is one of my children's favorite thing in the world. Bubble wrap. Here you go. Go crazy. There you go. Miles and Mimi, have fun with bubble wrap. Let's see. First thing I'm pulling out is... Oh, cool. It's a calendar. Rad. Check that out. It's neat. This is a revolving restaurant, and we have one of those in Seattle with the Space Needle, so it's kind of neat. This noodle company has a revolving restaurant at their factory. And this is cool. This is like a planner kind of thing. Apparently it's their 60th anniversary for Prima. They don't just make instant noodles. They make a bunch of stuff. Yeah, see, they've got like food service stuff. Let's see. There you go, the pops. But yeah, this is really cool. I used one of these a while back for I keep a journal, and I used one of these in, I think it was 2020 or 2019. So cool, thank you.
Boxes.
Oh, they also sent these. What's this one?
They're lunch boxes.
No, they're treats, Mimi. They're really good treats. This one is Supreme Pineapple Tarts.
Is it yummy?
They're really yummy. And this one is, Pandan Chiffon Cookies. These things are freaking good. So yeah, I'm stoked. Thank you very much. And finally, there's this package. They're both jumping in unison on the bubble wrap over there, acting like hoodlums. I think this is for you, Mimi. Yeah.
Other one for me?
I think so. This looks to be jewelry.
Aww. Cute.
What are these? Are these bow ties? What is this?
Those are for me.
Oh, are they?
Uh-huh.
Everything's for you, huh?
Mm-hmm. A lot of them.
Oh, what is it? What is it? Oh, wow. They're neck holder things. Check that out. It's a little thing that you strap the straps from your face mask onto fashionably. And so you can have your face mask. I wonder if that's what the other ones are too. Yeah, it's a chain that you can put your mask or shades or stuff like that on. It's kind of fancy. Wow, cool. Wow, very cool. Well, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Yeah, Prima's got some really cool stuff, and I've been enjoying their products for years, and apparently it's the 60th anniversary of their company, so that is super cool, and they're really nice. So thank you very much. And hey, this has been Hans, and this has been...
Mimi!
Come over here so they can see you. And this has been...
Mimi!
And this has been...
Miles!
Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day!
Have a good one.
Bye.